A tragic piece of news is coming in from Doda district of Jammu and Kashmir, where an Indian Army vehicle met with a fatal accident. According to India Today inputs, 10 Indian Army soldiers have lost their lives, while 7 others have been injured in this unfortunate incident. The accident took place on the Badarwa Chamba road, a hilly and difficult stretch in the Doda region. The army vehicle involved was a Casper vehicle, which is a mine-protected armored vehicle commonly used by the Indian Army. These vehicles are also widely used in United Nations missions across Africa due to their strong build and 4x4 power, meaning engine power is supplied to all 4 vehicles. As per initial information, the vehicle was moving along the mountainous road when the driver reportedly lost control, causing the vehicle to plug nearly 200 to 250 feet into a deep earth. Rescue operations were immediately launched, but by the time the soldiers could be pulled out, 10 Jawans had already succumbed to their injuries. This has made the incident one of the deadliest road accidents involving the army in recent times. The injured soldiers are being shifted to the command hospital in Udhampur for advanced medical treatment. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has confirmed the death toll and expressed deep sorrow over the loss. In his tweet, he said that he is deeply saddened by the loss of 10 brave Indian Army soldiers in this unfortunate road accident in Doda. He added that the nation will always remember their outstanding service and supreme sacrifice. And he's conveyed his deepest condolences to the grieving families. At present, the exact cause of the accident has not been officially confirmed by the army. However, weather conditions could be a major factor. The Bedawa region is currently expressing harsh winter conditions and snowfall has made roads extremely slippery. In such conditions, a phenomenon known as black ice often forms, which is extremely dangerous and difficult to detect, leading to sudden loss of vehicle control. It is worth noting that similar accidents have occurred recently. On January 8th, in the Gulmarg sector of Baramulla, 2 army porters and 1 soldier lost their lives after slipping into a org. The porters, mostly from Gujar and Bakarwal communities, play a crucial role in supporting army logistics in difficult terrains. This latest incident once again highlights the challenges faced by the Indian Army personnel while serving in extreme geographical and weather conditions. This is a developing story. Further updates regarding the cause of the accident and official statements from the Army will be shared as when they come in.